In this video, I will show you how to edit orange and teal filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. +30 for exposure. Contrast to -20. Highlights bring to -40. Shadows to +20. White to +50. Black to -50. Go to curve and follows the steps. Next go to color. Temperature to +10. +10 for vibrance. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to +16. And saturation to +10. And luminance to -10. Next go to orange. Hue to -10. And saturation to -10. Next go to yellow. Hue to -100. Next go to green. Hue to +50. And saturation to -80. Next go to aqua. Hue to +10. And saturation to +60. Next go to blue. Hue to -50. And saturation to +10. And done. Next go to effects. Bring clarity and dehaze to +10. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to +225 and saturation to 15 of highlights. And hue to +25 and saturation to 5 of shadows. And balance to +15. And done. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password. That appears in the upper right corner as a card. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.